Hello, I'm Dakota. This is a follow-up video from my previous video of the changes I'm going to make to reduce my resource usage and carbon footprint for the week. The main changes I'm going to make is conserving my shower water, conserving heat, and conserving garbage waste. First, I want to talk about my conversation of shower water. I decided not to use a shower on Tuesday and Thursday since I don't work out or go to work those days, and I recorded that my shower produces about 2.1 gallons of water a minute, and for my recording of, of the shower usage on the other weekdays, I use approximately 7 minutes and 36 seconds each day of water, and I saved 15 minutes and 12 seconds, so I saved about 15 minutes and 12 seconds of shower water, which for my recordings of gallons per minute saved me about 31.92 gallons of water. Not only that, but I also saved energy from the energy it takes to heat the 31.92 gallons of water, which is approximately 4.32 kilowatt hours of energy, which prevented 1.223 kilograms of CO2 from being emitted in the atmosphere. This not only helps save underground water for uses in the future, but also decrease the chances of salt water from the ocean from contaminating our underground freshwater supply, as well as greenhouse gases from being emitted. Next, I'll be talking about my conversation of heating. The days I use the heater the most is on Fridays and Saturdays, which is why I chose these days. And I used the heater approximately for 9 hours during those days for my last week's recording, so I saved about 18 hours for the week. And for my calculation, the average outside temperature for those days, which is 50.2 degrees Fahrenheit, to the set temperature of 72 degrees, and the energy that it takes to heat up 800 square feet and a height of 15-foot apartment, within 18 hours, I saved approximately 27 kilowatt hours of energy and prevented 7.643 kilograms of CO2 from being emitted in the atmosphere. This was the hardest for me because those days were the coldest days of the week and the most tempting to turn on the heater. This not only prevented further greenhouse gas and further global warming, but also it decreases the amount of vegetation from being destroyed by acid rain from emissions from these radiators. I chose Sunday and Monday as the days I won't produce any trash. I produce about half a garbage bag for each day from last week's estimate, which is equivalent to 13 gallons of trash in those 2 days, most of it being plastic. And this plastic of trash is not only devastating to landfills since it doesn't break down, but also devastating to marine life in the ocean, which we've seen from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This was also hard for me to overcome because I ate a lot of processed foods and as a result consume a lot of garbage. Thank you.